Well, the President of the United Nations General Assembly, Tijani Mohamed Bande, says the focus of his one-year term is improving education. At the General Assembly meeting in May 29, 2020, one of the resolutions passed was the recognition of the International Day to protect education from attacks. Moya Thomas reports.
It seems the world is leaving handling of the crisis in Mali to the regional body ECOWAS. Though ECOWAS has made concerted efforts to resolve the political embroglio, the United Nations has made no input in the matter despite its agenda of achieving world peace. The President of the United Nations General Assembly, in a virtual interview, says the world body is working in collaboration with ECOWAS in instituting a democratic government in Mali.
Been very heavily involved because it's a peace and security issue affecting the world, but there's an understanding. The AU works very closely with the UN, and of course, UN works with the AU and the ECOWAS leadership on this matter.
Speaking on the impact of coronavirus public health crisis and vaccines, the President applauded Nigeria and Africa for the way they have handled the outbreak. He says the pandemic further reiterates the importance of multilateralism and solidarity. Dr. Mohamed Bande explains that the United Nations policy of leaving no one behind is the reason it will not accept vaccines except all countries can access it.
All Nigeria have done far better than countries that were expected to have done even better in dealing with the pandemic. Of course, the difference is that richer countries have been better able to provide palliatives for their citizens than poorer countries that were struggling even before the pandemic.
Tijani Mohamed Bande, a Nigerian whose one-year tenure will expire at the end of this month, says the 74th General Assembly scheduled for September 22nd to 29th will hold virtually. This is the first time in the 75 years of the United Nations that world leaders may not meet. Moya Thomas, CVC News, Abuja.